My name is Kara Griffin. I'm a holistic nutritionist, personal trainer, and a creative strategist. The thing that I believe in most is that we should eat, move, and live for how we want to feel. Personally, one of my favorite workouts is rebounding. So I work on small trampolines to get a combined cardio and muscle sculpting workout. When I'm jumping on the trampoline, it combines my two favorite things in terms of movement and joy. My hair has definitely been something I've had to learn to love, and now I fully embrace it. So I like to keep it really simple. I'll use the heat and humidity gel, and as it's almost dry, the Feather Light styling cream. My hair totally soaks up the product, responds really well in terms of my curl shape and definition, also how soft it is, and that it can bounce back